Hello there! This is the first episode of our series on acing your essay writing skills. This primarily focuses on the fundamentals of essay writing. The objective is to persuade readers of a stance or perspective through educated arguments supported by evidences and analysis. There are three basic steps of writing an essay: preparation, writing, and revision. Each step will be covered in the different films of this playlist. Oh, and by the way, please don't forget to share these amazing tips to anyone who needs it most. I am Jun at ka-Estudyantips, and I'm so glad you bumped into my channel. Preparation. You must first comprehend the task and select a topic. After you've decided on a topic, you should develop an initial thesis. This is a major point or position of your essay, the stance you're going to develop at hand. It doesn't have to be exactly articulated, but it is critical to begin with a clear understanding of what you want to communicate. Then you may start organizing your essay format and drafting an outline. This will get you started and keep you on track with your writing. Preparation is complete. Writing. And now we're on to writing. Each essay begins with an introduction. It is critical to catch the reader's attention and enlighten them straight away. What will the essay hook include? In the opening sentence, who is the reader? Then provide details that will assist your reader in understanding your point. This might include presenting brief background information, offering an overview of major claims or disputes on the issue, and clarifying difficult terms without overdoing it, just enough to steer the reader's taste. Recall the thesis statement from earlier, then explain to the reader the core point you're going to make. The thesis statement is generally 1 or 2 words long and it drives the entire essay. So be sure to devote some effort to this section that will include your beginning paragraph as the overview of your essay. For the body, which is the largest section of your essay, generally 20 to 80% of the total length, this is where you present arguments in favor of your thesis, give evidences, and develop your ideas. To give your essay a clear structure, it's simple to become lost in a large piece of content. It is critical to employ paragraphs, with each paragraph focusing on a single argument or concept. Using subject sentences, introduce the goal of each paragraph. But a main point for you to make seamless paragraph connection is to effectively use transition signals or expressions. In this way, the reader can easily establish the link between each paragraph and understand that they are still in harmony of the total flow of your idea. Most importantly, your body should include data, sources, facts, and the like, as these serve your evidence in whatever claims you are expanding in the body. Be careful to evaluate and explain the evidences and demonstrate how it contributes to the development of your broader argument. Then the hardest part is done. You are now ready to conclude your essay, which is the final paragraph. But for some, conclusion is written in 2 paragraphs depending on their style or technique. When making conclusions, you have to remember 3 major concepts: connection in your thesis, impact or consequence of the argument, and other insights worthy for action. So, once you are done with these writing processes, make sure to do the following post-writing procedures. The revision phase. Rewrite to improve your writing. Double-check your arguments to ensure that you have expressed what you have intended to say or do. Finally, check your grammar, spelling, and formatting. If you have mentioned sources in your work, run it through a plagiarism checker to ensure everything is in order. And yes, congratulations! You can now submit your essay. For more of our writing tips, sway a click to this channel. Our series is on the way at ka-Estudyantips. Ace your writing skills.